What's the meaning of bungee jump? Bungee jump. Bungee jump.
Bungee jump. Bungee jump. Bungee jumping is an extreme sport where a person jumps from a tall structure such as a bridge, building, or crane while attached to a bungee cord. The cord is stretched to its maximum length as the jumper falls, and then it bounces the person back up before coming to a stop. The result of bungee jumping is an exhilarating rush of adrenaline as the person experiences the freefall and the rebound. It is a popular activity for thrill seekers who enjoy pushing their limits, and it requires a great deal of courage and trust in the equipment and safety procedures.